Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you best free app that lets your smartphone and computer communicate seamlessly. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, on your respective computer, just open any web browser. And in the Google search for one application named as KDE Connect. And the first it will say its official website. Just click on it. Now just click on this download option. Now here you will see different operating system. So right now I'm using a Windows computer, so I'm gonna download for Windows. If you're using a Mac, then get it for Mac, and if you're using a Linux, then get it for Linux here. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run this software installer. Click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish. So now let's jump to the smartphone. So right now I'm using a Android smartphone. So if you're using a iOS smartphone, still the tricks will remain the same. So if you're using an Android smartphone, just open the Play Store, and if you're using an iPhone smartphone, then just open the App Store. And now just search for one application named as KDE Connect, and the first is you'll see the application. Just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once you have installed the similar application on both of your smartphone as well as on your computer, just connect both of your devices with the same Wi-Fi internet connections, and after that just open the same application on both the smartphones as well as on your computer. Now allow all the permissions. So now you can see here no devices. Now similarly on your computer also just open the similar application, click on this allow. Now you can see here it has auto detected my two different devices. So now just click on this available devices on your respective smartphone and click on this request pairing. Now you'll see here click on accept. So finally, we have paired our smartphone with our computer. Now, on your smartphone, you can see the different options: send files, presentation remote, multimedia control, remote input, run command, and below you will see more plugins. So you can see here you can send a SMS, media player control, connectivity report, receive remote clip rest, notification sync, telephony notifier, file system access, tons of options. So I'll show you some functions here, how it operates. So let me click on this remote input. So now you can see here, you can use your smartphone as your wireless computer mouse. So you can see below, this is the left click, this is the right click, and this is the middle mouse button. So and this is the mouse pad where you can move. So if I touch on here, so you can see I'm able to move the computer mouse, and if I click on this button, which is the right click button, so you can see the context menu shows up on my Windows computer. And if I click on this left mouse button, so you can see it perfectly works. And if you click the middle button, then it will perform the middle mouse button. And if you want to type something, then just click on this keyboard icon. Now you can type anything from your smartphone. So you can see I can use my smartphone as computer keyboard. So it's working perfectly. And even you can control the multimedia. So here you can see play musics, previous music, next music, and stop music. And on the devices option, you can control the volume of the different devices here. So if I increase, then you can increase the computer volume depending upon needs from here. So it's working perfectly. So there are tons more options which you can check out by yourself. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free app that lets your smartphone and computer communicate seamlessly. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.